Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Technocrat CS Academy. I am going to start tutorial video lecture series of the crash course Grid and Cloud Computing. It is a crash course. Before starting this series, first of all, in this lecture I am going to discuss which topics we will going to learn under this subject. In this series, I included the following topics which are essential and important for the preparation of your exam, and you will get the all concept over here. So let us discuss what are the brief topics which will be covered under this video lecture series. So first we will start from the grid computing. Before starting from the cloud computing, we will going to study the grid computing because evaluation of the cloud computing is from the grid computing. So we will going to study first what is grid and what is grid computing. Then we will going to the study what is high performance computing, what is cluster and cluster computing, what is peer to peer computing. Then we will going to discuss about the what is the difference between the cluster and the grid computing. Then we will going to learn what are the benefits of the grid computing, what are the types of the grid. There are different types of the grid like data grid, utility grid, departmental grid, and many other types are there. We will going to briefly discuss that all types under this topic. Then we will going to discuss the grid computing architecture. Under this architecture we are going to learn how grid computing work. Then we are going to discuss about the what are the applications of the grid computing. So this is the all topics which are coming under the grid computing. Then we will going to see the topics under the cloud computing. Under the cloud computing we are going to learn first what the definition of the cloud computing or what is mean by the cloud computing. Then we are going to discuss the different models: NIST model, deployment model, and the service model. NIST model is nothing but the National Institute of Standard Technology deployment model. Deployment model, under this deployment model again we are going to discuss some clouds like private, public, and the hybrid. Then next service model. Under this service model, depending on the services provided by the cloud service, we are going to learn these three types of services like SaaS, that is software as a service, PaaS, platform as a service, and IaaS, that is the infrastructure as a service. Then we are going to learn about the what are the benefits of the cloud computing, what are the advantage, disadvantage of the cloud computing, what is mean by the abstraction and the virtualization. So this is all about the topics which cover under this video lecture series. In the next video lecture, we will start from the grid computing. So till then, like this video and subscribe my channel for more update. Thank you.